Hi, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you a new marble technique that I have been using and I absolutely love it. If you've seen my other videos, I go over how to do a marble technique with acrylic paint. Well, I recently started using concrete pigment, so I have used a new technique with this pigment and it has worked out beautifully. I love how both techniques look. So I wanted to show you this other technique and how it turned out. So I'm going to be using my concrete pigment from Direct Colors today. Now if you're new to my channel, my name is Kayla. I make videos all about concrete and candles. If you're a business owner or a fellow crafter like me and you're looking to just make your own candle containers out of concrete or just learning more about candles, definitely subscribe to my channel so you don't miss out on any of the exciting and fun videos that I am posting in the future. Let's go ahead and jump into the video so I can show you this new awesome technique that I've been doing. Okay, so these are the supplies that you're going to need. You're going to want cement all for your cement. That is what I use. And then you're going to want a mold. I got this off Amazon. It's an oval mold. It's a really nice one. This piece just goes into this other piece to make it a little more sturdy and hold that oval shape for you. And then you're going to want water. I keep mine in this jug. It's really easy to pour. And then for the color, for this technique, I am using concrete pigment. And this is kind of a like red Sedona color. I live in Arizona, so it just reminds me of the Sedona rocks here. And then you're going to want gloves. Really any gloves work. I use these yard gloves because it helps with the stirring. And then just a stirring stick. You can get these at any home improvement store. Now for this technique, I'm going to be doing one natural color in one cup and then one of the red rock color in the other cup, and then marbleize it together and pour it. So let's go ahead and pour the water in and get these mixed up. I do a 4-to-1 ratio, so 4 parts cement or concrete and then 1 part water. So you want to have your consistency like a pancake batter, and then you'll be ready to pour the color in there. So as you can see, I'm making the red color in 1 cup, and then I have the natural color in the other. And then I'm just going to pour the red into the natural and just give it a few swirls and then go ahead and pour it into the mold. You don't want to completely mix these 2 colors together, and that is what gives that marbleized look. You can leave it there. I'm actually going to make just a little bit more. You can't really see it in the video, but there is a little bit of space left in the mold. So it's really simple. You just grab a little bit extra of the natural color and then pour the red. Now you're going to want to tap the sides and drop it on the table, and this releases any air bubbles. And then you're going to want to let this set for about 3 hours minimum before you take it out of the mold. One of the things I love about this mold is this outer piece. It does help it stay in that oval shape. And then this second piece here is just really simple to pull off. And then we have our red marble container. So we're gonna go ahead and sand. So I use a couple different sanding blocks. I use 60 and 120. It's just a preference. I would recommend testing out a few different ones and seeing how they work. So I'm just gonna go ahead and make the bottom of this planter or candle nice and smooth. Here is the end result. So as you can see, it's a little different than the original acrylic marble. I love both of them. This one, I just love the blend of the two colors. All right, so I love how this turned out. Let's see it, a little better here. So it looks a little bit different than the other technique I used with the acrylic paint. However, I really like this one as well. It's just a softer blend. So you can do both techniques and they both work well. This, again, you can clear coat this with any concrete sealer you'd like. I personally use polyacrylic right now, and I have been testing out a new sealer recently and I'm very excited about it. So I have just a little bit more testing to do, and then after I'm done, if it passes everything, I will be posting about that on my channel, you know, as a review, just so all of you can have another option as a sealer as well. Thanks again for watching this video. I hope it was helpful for you. If you feel like I missed anything or you have any questions, please feel free to comment in the comment box below and I will get back to you. I'll see you in the next video.